Hi, I'm Francis, the host of this show, Cooking with the Dog.
こんにちは。今日はベトナムで愛されているフォーを作ります。鶏手羽先と香味野菜で手軽に美味しいスープを作ります。
First, let's prepare the chicken. Rinse the chicken wings with water and wipe off the moisture beforehand. Cut between the joints with a kitchen knife to detach the tip. Then, make a cut along the bones in the wings and separate the joints at the ends. This will help the savory umami flavor to come out easily. The preparation of the chicken wings is important. It takes a bit of work, but please do not skip it. Place the chicken wings in boiling water. Lightly stir with the kitchen chopsticks. When the surface turns white, remove and place them onto a tray. Remove any blood or stains on the meat with a paper towel. Next, let's make the delicious chicken broth. Put 800 milliliters of water in a pot and add the prepared chicken wings. These are ginger slices, garlic cloves, coriander roots, onion slices cut across the grain, and dashi kombu seaweed. Put the aromatic vegetables and kombu into the pot. Add the chicken thigh and sake. Finally, add a small amount of granulated chicken stock powder to really bring out the flavor of the chicken. Heat the pot on medium heat without covering it. When it reaches a full boil, remove the foam with a mesh strainer. Simmer for 7 to 8 minutes on low heat. Then, remove the chicken thigh and kombu seaweed. With the skin facing up, place the thigh into a bowl. Cover it with the kombu and wrap the bowl with a plastic wrap to prevent the chicken from drying out. Simmer the broth for 10 more minutes. The foam keeps appearing, so remove it frequently each time. Now, the delicious broth is ready. Remove the chicken wings and aromatic vegetables and place them onto a strainer over a bowl. Return the strained broth in the bowl to a pot. These chicken and vegetables can be enjoyed as ingredients for another type of soup or nabemono, a Japanese hot pot. We will season the broth with nuoc mam, a Vietnamese fish sauce later. When the chicken thigh has cooled, slice it into bite-sized strips. Let's season the broth and cook the rice noodles. Heat the broth and season it with the nuoc mam, a Vietnamese fermented fish sauce, and salt. You can also substitute nam pla, a Thai fish sauce, and adjust the amount of salt to taste. The resulting amount of the soup will slightly vary depending on the strength of heat while cooking. These are rice noodles for one person. Place the noodles into boiling water and lightly loosen up the noodles. Cook for about 5 minutes. If you want to shorten the boiling time, soak the noodles in lukewarm water for a while before cooking them. Strain the noodles and hit the strainer against the kitchen towel several times to remove the excess water thoroughly. Place the noodles into a bowl. Arrange the noodles with the chopsticks. Add the red onion, which is less pungent and beautiful in color. Top with the fresh wakame seaweed with the salt removed. Add the lightly cooked moyashi bean sprouts and tender leaf tips of the coriander. Arrange the sliced chicken thigh on top. Pour over the piping hot soup. This exquisite chicken soup with the kombu's umami flavor makes you want to enjoy it until the last drop. Top with the chopped spring onion leaves. Garnish with a lemon or lime wedge. And sprinkle with the black pepper. Drizzle on the hot chili sauce if you like it spicy. We received requests for Vietnamese food from our fans in Vietnam, so we introduced how to make pho easily at home using Japanese ingredients like kombu and wakame seaweed.
あっさりしていてとっても味わい深いスープです。平たい麺によく絡んでとっても美味しい。
The salted fresh wakame is delicious, and we use it on a regular basis. To check how to remove the salt from the fresh wakame, please watch our seaweed salad video. Good luck in the kitchen!
香味野菜で美味しい、手軽で美味しいスープ。ダメだ。